Hello friends, do you like our funny Would You Rather? Welcome to the game. Let's quickly find out what you like to do. Do you want to be the king queen of sweets or the king queen of toys? Would you rather swim in a river of chocolate or play on a hill of marbles? Do you want to live on a beautiful island for a week or with your favorite cartoon characters for a week? Would you like to visit a magical park or a thrilling safari? Would you rather be in a toy store all the time or a candy shop? Would you like to go on a space expedition or travel to the world of dinosaurs? Would you rather be a character in a big animated movie or your own video game character? Would you rather get a new toy every day of the year or a big party once a year? Would you like to dress up as your favorite character or get superpowers like them? Do you want to live in fantasy all the time or to have fun in reality? Would you rather go to an adventure park or a safari? Would you like to create your own television show or be a guest on your favorite show? Would you rather go to a museum with interesting things or a colorful garden? Would you rather get free ice cream all year round or free cake and candy? Do you want to watch your favorite cartoons all year round or read new books? Would you rather have a fun toy car or a drone? Would you rather be in a swimming pool all year round or snowboarding on snow-covered mountains? Would you like to go to your favorite food festival or a science fair? Do you want to play fun video games all year round or get new toys? Would you rather have your own pet or a pet dolphin? Would you like to own a candy shop or a toy store? Do you want to remember every moment of life or forget everything? Would you rather have your own theme park or visit the best museums in the world? Would you rather have a colorful bicycle or a skateboard? Will you be able to play hide and seek all year long or have a new adventure? Would you like to go to a fun camp with friends or to a film festival? Would you like to have a colorful garden or a large playground? Would you rather be a superhero all year round or a popular actor? Would you like to see the world's largest waterfall or climb a high mountain? Would you rather have dinner with your favorite cartoon characters or chat with them all night?